How's it going, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to apply for the Discover Student Credit Card. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and all you guys have to do is head over to Discover's homepage, their website being discover.com, and then you want to go to their credit cards page, right? So here you actually get to choose from a different bunch of credit cards, be it for business applications, for loans, or even a student credit card. That would give you the ability to use it for essentials such as groceries, buying gas, supplies and whatnot, school supplies, and so on. So to show you guys what I mean, let's actually start from the homepage here. So right off the bat, you can see on their homepage that the Discover It student credit card is here, and to apply for it, you simply click on the apply button, or you could sort the cards out by feature. As you can see here, you can have one set for students. So it's this one here, credit cards for college students. So when you click on it, it should take you to the same page. So to apply for it, you simply want to hit on apply and basically just follow the on-screen instructions, fill up the boxes like so. So basically what's happening here is Discover's just trying to make sure that all of your credit is good, and they just want to do a a thorough background check to make sure that you're able to pay them back. And if everything seems to be in order, simply agree to the terms and conditions, review the interest rates and whatnot, agree, and submit. Now, you're going to wait for Discover to contact you back whether you're eligible for the student credit card. And the good thing about this card is that it doesn't actually require any credit score because as the name suggests, it's meant for students. So yeah, there you guys have it. That's how you can apply for the Discover It student credit card. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.